Hi, this is Litre from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2015 Hyundai Accent, stock number 6380. It's ran from the 6th 2015 to the 12th 2019. It has a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4LC 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front card no dents, left front 16-inch factory alloy mag ball tyre, left front door mirror, left front door no dents, left rear door no dents, left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, left rear right rear door no dents, right front door is damaged, right front door mirror, right front 16-inch aftermarket wheel good tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, center console, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory single stick stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, the front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,